say I'm being stupid. No, you're in my area.
What area?
The area in
Y'all are all in my area, so shut up. Just shut up, dude. I'm like right up against the wall. Hey, quit shaking the bed. Quit shaking the bed!
You just hoped.
Oh my god.
This is why you get out my area.
Taylor, Brooke, quit shaking the bed and quit rubbing your leg all over my butt.
Taylor, you're with say goodnight.
Stop! You guys are gonna wake up my mom.
Yeah, we are.
Well, you started it.
Ow, don't hit me.
You just hit my butt.
Well, don't put your butt in my hitting place. Ew, get your butt off my butt. Ew, I don't want to have butt sex with you. Stop putting your butt on me. Stop it.
Hey! Get your butt out of my hair.
No, not your butt. Stop.
Alright.
Taylor!
Get off me, Sam.
Lord have mercy on your souls.
I can't get up.
Get out of me!
Hey, oh wait.
Right.
I wonder if Christian's gonna put those videos on YouTube of us fighting.
Dude, tomorrow we'll have to cool it.
Wait, what?
Tomorrow we have to YouTube it.
He has them.
I know.
Are we asking for him?